I just climbed it off. What do you mean you just climbed my off?
I'm on that road again. I just can't wait to get on that road again.
Brilliant.
Stump. I was really tempted to pull the trigger there. Right on your knee.
Hold on, no. No. Yeah.
Blew up to village.
All of us. What? I've just walked down here.
Should we get in the middle and just hold the middle, four of us? Well, you each take like an entrance inside.
Which four of us?
That's what I'm saying.
Four corners.
We take four and just hold that for as long as possible. He's got a bit of a Captain Price thing going on, hasn't he?
He has.
Hasn't he?
You have.
It's the curl. It's the slight curl.
Well.
Yeah, the end is just cold. Yeah.
Not a good idea, John. I was going to hold him on the mouth.
Yeah. There's a curl on that.
And you've got to put on a really rough.
One up and one down.
Yeah. Yes, dear.
What do you want, you bastard? Yeah, I'll be there in a minute. Dickhead, get over here.
Yeah, I meant to get closer. He talks like he's muffling. Please do it.
Right, quickly, guys. It's just obviously a quick turnaround. You are
Turn
now
around.
snipers on your team at the moment.
Skivers.
Yeah. So obviously you're
There's a couple of skivers. I don't know about snipers.
right. You're at 10 metre distance from anywhere on the outside of the wall. Everyone else has to be inside. You've got one life. Once you're out, we'll go up to the top, ammo up, ready for a bigger game at the end. All right? Any questions? No.
Thanks, dear.
Sorry. Are we allowed auto?
Can I walk around telling what to do?
No.
Always single shot. We never use all full auto and CQB.
No, never.
No one would ever do such a thing like that. That's not why I had a BB embedded in my arm in the last game. Silly twats. That's not nice. Hello there. I want a corner that looks good. Matthew? Should we take this alleyway down here? Oh, shit. Hello there. I like this area. This one's good.
This one?
Oh, this is where.
I walked around the corner, I was like, nope.
Do you remember that room?
Yeah, I remember that room. That was a room with you PTSD with the fucking grenades.
Yeah. I got killed by grenades, then because you got.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I killed myself.
Right,
So they covered that window. If we cover this bit in here,
Alright, and we can these guys.
all right, and stay around this area because we can cover the windows and cover that indoor left corridor. We can cover this side.
Well, that's going to explode that corridor, I guess.
This, yeah, that one will. That's because that'll be the entrance they come in from.
Yeah.
So we just need to be watching that corridor.
So I need a floor.
Like that, the whole.
Alright.
Where do you come from, baby?
Seems like you're just overcrowded, then.
Yeah.
We're all sitting ducks.
How did you know I needed you? How did you know every night and day for.
It's coming.
I mean, mate, look straight down there. I still reckon just cover this area. Cover this area and we're good.
Yeah, okay. Shotgun, nice.
Yeah, you want to go around that side. Here they come. We've got red on the window around here. Just around here.
You cover right then, I'll cover left.
Whoa.
Where's that coming from?
It's all this way there.
Left side. I've got the right side covered.
Left side.
Yeah, if you cover the left side.
Straight on as well. This way as well. Can't fall over.
Whoop. Why is that on that?
You put it on full auto.
Yep, jog on, mate. One down. Couple of little kids coming round the left.
Through the tree? Yeah. That's hit.
Fucking hell, the angle on this is fucking awful.
Is that our team?
Well, just standing there, yeah.
What, the guy who just ran away?
Yeah, it's hit him like fucking far.
Yeah. Don't stand up, Dad.
Wasn't planning on standing up. Particularly because I know you're behind me.
Mate, you shouldn't hit.
Loading already. Cover that window.
Mate, he's actually getting sprayed up. And he's not fucking moving.
Reloading.
The sniper sitting there. Where the fuck did he go? Where did he go? Where did he go? Where did he go?
Running through right to left.
I see him. I can't hit him.
Just in the hop.
Right to left, look right here, look. First off as well. In this area right there.
Take that.
I think they're too far away.
Maybe, yeah.
Whereabouts, mate?
Left side sit behind. Yeah, just on the ceiling.
Coming in.
Oh,
Mate, you just... Guys, fucking cunt.
oh man. Left side, left side.
At this corner, right. At the corner, At the corner, right.
You dropping back?
Yeah.
Dropping back, dropping back, dropping back.
Out here!
We'll go out the other way then, dipstick.
Is it looking busy?
Yeah. Yeah, they're on their way.
This way.
We had to fall back, yeah.
Do we need a grenade?
Wait, Case, let me know when they're here. How are you?
Now would be, not yet. We've got one of ours there, so don't. Stay there, mate, stay there.
Chuck it side.
Whoa, 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 whoa. He got it.
Oh shit, that's close.
You got eyes on him, mate, yeah?
Keeps peeking every now and then.
Nearly. They tried. They definitely tried.
Yeah, yeah, don't move, mate. Single shot.
Single.
Oh shit.
I'll take it back then.
You've got a very fast finger, my friend. Your girlfriend's very lucky.
Is that binary?
Well,
Sorry, Marshall, go on. Watch yourself, though.
Have a longer game after this.
cover me for
Who's that guy in the crowd from there? He's going in.
I heard that. Whoa. Yeah, now. Oh, it's busy. Mappy, be ready, mate. I need to reload. They're coming around that corner. Be ready. They're literally other side of this wall. Woo! That's a lot of ricochet.
There's a lot of them.
Yeah. The fuck was that? That looked like a proper grenade. Whoa!
That was nice.
I like that.
Oh! You seen the damage that thing does?
Here, the marshal's standing right there as well.
Sorry. Right. I won't worry. I'll just let my...
That side. They're literally the other side of this. So you see the black part?
Yeah.
They're there.
Right. They're just fucking standing there.
Yeah. They've done two grenades down the corridor, but they're not quite close enough.
Yeah.
Oh, if I press that.
Wait for all of them to die. I think I got hit. I don't know.
Yeah, you did. Go on, mate. Go on, Matthew. Marshall.
Sorry.
Were they hits or not, Marshall? No, none. Fuck me. I can't see around that corner, Matthew, mate.
I'll get shot in the back.
Just moving back a bit.
Is that one of these?
I don't know.
Good man.
I don't know who that was then, hello.
Come on, let's try everyone playing that.
Just make sure I don't back up.
I'll back up.
When you see me just throw myself back.
Oh, don't worry, if I hear a grenade, I'll throw myself. My eardrums say no thank you.
Push it, I dare you. No one here but us blues.
I think you're colourblind, we're blue.
No.
Don't say that!
There's no rule against lying.
He didn't mean that. He said we're blue.
Stop confusing me. I'm colourblind.
I'm colourblind.
I'm purple then.
Yeah.
I'm neutral. Didn't realise we could talk. It's like Mortal Kombat. Friendship. Can we just agree to shake hands and walk away? No one has to get hurt. Sorry. I'm half expecting to get test shot. There's a marker there. The shot they'd have on my arse would be insane.
We're all quite happy with
Only unintentionally.
a few test shots this morning.
I've just been given a new arsehole.
No, I ain't sent a mass, it goes to the other. You can try and get out that way if you want, mate, but good fucking luck. Yeah, alright. You can wait in the corner if you want, I suppose, or you try and
No one puts baby in a corner. I didn't do that.
No. Are we okay behind?
Mate, I wouldn't fucking know.
Hey, buddy. Got a picture and a video for you? Oh, swipe it real good. Swipe for the camera, these.
I'm here all week. I feel like I'm going to be.
Don't swipe too much to get me banned on Facebook. My nan will see my account. That'll be a fun chat next Christmas dinner.
Blues. Just checking, you're still there. I felt a bit lonely, so I was just...
I'm colourblind, bro.
I would be more concerned about your arsehole.
So was I, because if anyone comes to that, I'll
Why
fuck.
would your dead teammates in front of this?
That's a fucking good point. Blues.
Hello.
You for deny your doubtfire, dear.
Would you like a cup of tea?
Was that whistle for a reason? Who the fuck is that? Blue's got Owen Wilson. Fucking hell. Well done, guys. Coming red, coming. Fucking hell, it's blue round here, isn't it?
Yes,
I'm blue, da da dee da da da. Sorry, red come through. Da da dee da da da. Red come through. Dead man. Da da dee da da da. Don't shoot me in the ass. Red coming out. Don't shoot me. Oh fuck you, no.
Like, high.
Yeah.